In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uncheck all checklists in Notion. If you work with checklists on a daily basis, this is a simple but extremely useful trick that can save you a lot of time. Whether you're managing tasks, tracking habits, or reviewing to-do lists, knowing how to quickly check and uncheck multiple items at once can make your workflow much smoother and more efficient. Let's start by opening the Notion page where your checklist is located. This can be any checklist block or a list of checkbox items inside a page. Once you're on the page, take a moment to make sure all the checklist items you want to change are visible on your screen. This method works best when everything you want to update is clearly selected. Next, use your mouse to highlight the checklist items you want to uncheck. Simply click and drag across the list or hold down the Shift key while selecting multiple checkbox items. The key here is making sure all the checklist items you want to update are highlighted at the same time. Once they are selected, you're ready for the shortcut that does all the work for you. With the checklist items highlighted, press Ctrl and Enter on your keyboard at the same time. As soon as you do this, you'll see that every selected checkbox is instantly unchecked. This is incredibly helpful if you're resetting a daily or weekly checklist, clearing completed tasks, or preparing a template for reuse. Instead of manually clicking each checkbox one by one, this shortcut handles everything in a single action. What's even better is that this shortcut works both ways. If you want to check multiple checklist items all at once, you can follow the exact same process. Highlight the checklist items, press Ctrl and Enter again, and all the selected items will be checked. This makes it easy to mark tasks as complete in bulk or quickly update progress when reviewing your work. This feature works directly inside Notion without the need for any extensions, automations, or advanced settings. It's a built-in shortcut that many users overlook, but once you start using it, it becomes second nature. It's especially useful for recurring lists, shared pages, and productivity systems where speed and clarity matter. And that's really all there is to it. By highlighting your checklist items and using a simple keyboard shortcut, you can instantly check or uncheck everything at once. It's a small tip, but it can make a big difference in how efficiently you use Notion every day. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.